the Hepa King Silicone series wiper blades for the Tesla Model 3. So Hepa King has sent me both a 26-inch blade and an 18-inch blade. Those are the standard sizes for the Tesla Model 3, all model years. Just check out the packaging. Looks like your standard wiper blade packaging if you went to auto parts store or Walmart, Target. So these are full silicone blades, and we'll check out the quality and I'll compare them to the Michelins that I have on there now. And if you are on the fence about changing your wiper blades, I definitely recommend switching to silicone. That's what comes from the factory. However, I've had mixed success with other brands, so I'm going to give Hepa King a shot here. And I'm due for some new blades, so these came in perfect time. And let's go into the car and start by checking out how we can go about getting the wipers into service mode. All right, so first thing we have to do is go into the cabin of the car, and we're going to have to put the wipers into service mode. So the way you do that, if you've never done it before, you're going to go into your main interface here by hitting the car button, and you're going to go into service, and then you're going to scroll up, and you will see a button that says wiper service mode. When you click that, what's going to happen is your wipers will come about 6 inches up from the resting position. You can see there. And that is how you would go ahead and proceed with swapping out the blade. So let's go out and do that now. All right, so when you get into removing above your wiper blade here, this is your windshield washer sprayer. So be careful not to damage that. It's a little tricky to remove the blades. You're going to press down on this release here. Okay, you just be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Hold on to that. Do not let that go because that will pop right back down and you will get a nice crack in your glass. So these are the old silicone blades that I had. These were Michelins, and I'll be very honest with you, I was not too thrilled with them. So I am very happy to be replacing them today. All right, for the passenger side, same thing. Just be careful of the sprayer here. You're going to press down on the release and just lightly pull towards the outside of the car. And again, do not let this go and snap back into the window. It will crack your glass. So just slowly put it down. If you have like a rag or something you want to put down, that's fine too, just to be on the safe side. Again, these are the old Michelin ones. Don't recommend these. Got these at Walmart, I think, and they've never worked well. So I'm happy to be replacing them, like I said. All right, for the new blades, we're going to start with the passenger side. So these are the, again, Hepa King Silicone series, the Pro Series beam blades. I always recommend the beam for a Tesla, beam style. Those clean the windows the best. These are pretty odd sizes. So what's nice with these Hepa Kings is they're basically ready to go. So you don't have to do any type of universal attachments or anything like that. These are designed for Tesla, so they will be a direct fit. All right, before you fit the blade on, there is a protective cover over the silicone, so you're going to want to just slide that off nice and slowly. Okay, and then we're going to take the blade here, and again, be careful with the arm. You're going to orient it with the button facing the inside of the car, and you're going to slowly make sure you're in that groove there, and you can just slowly work it in, and you'll get a click, and that little tab will pop up, and you're good to go. And let's go over to the driver's side now. 6-inch blade, Hepa King Silicone series. These are a beam blade style. I recommend them for any Tesla owner. opposed to the standard old style rubber wiper blade. They just don't work as well. Okay, so again, beauty with these is they are a direct fit. There is no universal adapter refit, which is great. It eliminates any second guessing. And you can see the build quality on these is very nice. The beam is a nice flex. Quality seems really good. Nice, very comparable to the OEM style from Tesla. All right, so we're going to remove that protective barrier off the silicone. You can see the silicone is nice and fresh. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the other one. Remember, do not let this snap back. I'm going to reach over here, get it into that little track there, work it back until it clicks. And again, nice seated right there. It's in. We're going to let it down nice and soft. And now we are done replacing the blades. And let's go to the last step, which is getting the blades back out of service mode. All right, so we're back in the cabin now, and we need to take the wipers out of service mode. Before we do that, I wanted to go over some highlights of these blades that are specific to silicone style blades. So with these Hepa King blades, what happens is as you start to use them, the silicone is coated with a special coating that's made out of silica. What that does is it actually applies a water repellent coating as the wipers are used, which gives the wipers a little more longevity. So that's one of the plus to these wipers as well. Silicone ages a lot better than standard rubber, so these silicone wipers blades should last you at least a year. It's always recommended you change them out like every 10,000 miles, depending on where you live and the elements you live in. If you live somewhere where it doesn't really rain much, but it's sunny, you might have wear and tear from sun damage. But the silicone will hold up over the UV a lot better than a standard rubber would. So that's some of the benefits of the silicone wiper blades. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these out of service mode. And you see the wiper blades drop down. And I'm just going to give a little mist of windshield wiper fluid here just to lubricate the blades and kind of get them acclimated to the window and make sure that everything's working good. And you can see big difference from the Michelins. All right. And again, the Tesla wiper blade system is a little wonky in my opinion, the way it's designed, because it leaves a big portion of the window unclean. But not one streak on the window, not a single one. So I mean, just a major improvement already from the Michelins that I had. I highly recommend these Hepa King wipers. The fact that they are ready to go out of the packaging, made for Tesla, and you know, the ease of the exchange. You saw in the video, and I'm walking you through it. It took less than 5 minutes to swap both blades out, which is what you want in a wiper blade. It shouldn't be a half an hour ordeal trying to figure out which adapter you need, which way the blade goes. So Hepa King, check them out. I'm going to leave a discount code in the comments below in the description. So if you guys want to check out Hepa King, please use the coupon code and save yourself some money. I will also have a review of their cabin filters in the next few days. Another great product from Hepa King, and I look forward to making more content for you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. So if you're new to the Tesla community, welcome. If you're an old timer, it's great to have you back. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.